Cultural traditions are important because they transmit shared values, stories, and goals from one generation to the next. Traditions encourage groups of people to create and share a collective identity, which in turn serves to shape individual identities. So, here we are, taking you all on the journey to the famous foods and traditions of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a vibrant state with many traditions and customs exclusive to the people that live there. Festivals are celebrated with great pomp and show, and food is an important part of their lives. Marathi is the official state language, and 68.89% of the population speak Marathi. Though the official language of Maharashtra is Marathi, people do understand Hindi and English all over the state, but different regions have their own dialects. Now let's know about the famous festivals of Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi. This festival celebrates Lord Ganesha, the god of wisdom. It is the largest festival of Maharashtra. It's an 11-day festival. People install intricately carved idols of Ganesha in their homes and visit each other to pay their respects. People throng the huge pandals to catch a glimpse of the favorite god and organize many cultural events together. On the 11th day, the idols are taken in procession with music and dance to be immersed in the sea. Next is Krishna Janmashtami, or the birth of Lord Krishna. Lord Janma is celebrated at midnight with bhajans, which are devotional songs. Kids dress up as Krishna to celebrate the occasion. The next day is celebrated as Gokulashtami. To celebrate the Lord's love for butter, a ritual is performed on this day called Dahi Handi. Clay pots filled with curd, puffed rice and milk are strung high up above the streets. Groups of enthusiastic youngsters form human pyramids to reach up to these and break them open. People throng in great numbers to see these human pyramids and their attempts. Another festival is Shivaji Jayanti. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the greatest ruler of Maharashtra. He laid the foundation of a Hindu empire which lasted for over 2 centuries before the British took over. Actors or statues play out great incidences of battles, wisdom, kindness and bravery of the king. The state fondly remembers their great king and pledged to imbibe his qualities in their day-to-day life. Gudi Padwa, the harvest festival of Maharashtra. It signifies the beginning of a prosperous new year and the arrival of spring. Gudi is a symbol of victory, characterized by a bamboo stick with a silk cloth. It is garlanded with flowers and has sweets offered to it. Households are decorated with garlands and rangolis, and a gudi is put up outside the home to welcome prosperity and good health into the family. Some other festivals include Ellora festivals, organized on the backdrop of the majestic Ellora caves. Mangala Gauri. Mangala Gauri is a celebration for newly married brides within the first 1 to 5 years of their marriage. Banganga festival. A musical tribute to Lord Ram, the Banganga festival is a 2-day festival held every year at Malabar Hills in Mumbai. Kojagiri Purnima marks the passing of the rainy season and the advent of the harvest season. Let's talk about the Maharashtrian cuisine. Food is an important part of any celebration and also of day-to-day lives. Traditionally, Maharashtrians have considered their food to be more austere than others. Maharashtrian cuisine includes mild and spicy dishes. Peanuts and cashews are often served with vegetables. Distinctly Maharashtrian dishes include pitla, bhakri, bharleli wangi, ukdiche modak, थालीपीठ, puranpoli, and puneri misal. The Konkan, Waradi, Agri, and Khandeshi cuisines are popular with tourists. The specialty dishes of Maharashtrian cuisines are often strong in pepper and spice with a twist of curry leaves, coconut, and peanuts. At last, we would like to say that tradition means giving votes to the most obscure of all classes, our ancestors. It is the democracy of the dead. Hence, we should preserve our tradition and culture.